Right, this is the video for the Pursonic multi-function cleaning robot. There it is, as you can see, on its charger. This is the compartment where the basic rubbish goes. You press the button, pull the compartment out, and that's what happens. Now, I'll show you it working. You do get a remote, although you'll find you don't actually need it really. If you just press auto, which is button 5, you'll find it'll automatically release. As you can see, the Hoover detects things in its way and will slowly work its way round a room. Now you just watch it now. It works its way around the room, detecting things in the way, as you can see. Moving away again, off it goes, turning on a certain area because it's detecting more dirt in that area than anywhere else, or more things. You can move it on with your remote control if need be. You can read the instructions for that. But it's a very good miniature little Robo Hoover that does the job. On one charge, I usually find it will do the hallway, the living room and the kitchen quite adequately. As you see, it's now trying the fireplace, which it will do. It may take a little while for it to work out how to actually go over the fireplace, but as you can see, it's done it. It works it out. Depending on how high the fireplace is, depends on whether it will actually go over it. But it does do a general hoovering job very well, as you can see. So, and it has several settings, as you can see there. It also has a UV setting to sterilise the carpet or floor with UV rays, which work quite well. So, personally I like it. You can buy it in most places, I guess Amazon, eBay, most places that sell them. And I find them very handy, as you can see. So anyway, that's my review on the robotic Hoover. And there we are. As you can see, it's now detected that it can't get out of a certain area, so it's working its way out. It's working its way out of that area. See? And it will eventually work its way out, as you can see, and release itself and go on to do whatever it wants to do. As you can see now, it's going into the kitchen, and that will follow on and do what it needs to do in there. And there we are, the Robo Hoover.